Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you withdraw money from Bitget to bank account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the Bitget application, you just simply have to tap into this assets option into the bottom right corner. Tap into that, and after that just simply select spot from here. Now after selecting spot, you can select this option between deposit, withdraw or transfer. Now in order to withdraw your money from Bitget to bank account, you just simply have to tap into withdraw button. And after coming into this section, you will get to choose your network. Just simply choose the network, and after that choose this on-chain withdrawal option. And after that, you just simply have to select your withdrawal address and withdrawal amount. Then after selecting those, you can easily withdraw your money from Bitget to bank account. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.